behind you. Look. Look at the swell. Holy. That's the railway station downtown. That's the yeah. Look at this. There's the coast. How much to the work back here? About 10-15 minutes? Walk? Yeah. Very, very look at that. Holy jeez, man. Not even a single boat anywhere, look. Holy. See it splashing right on the road. Hey, what if the Coast Guard gets called and would they go?
Yeah, I think they can.
They can't refuse.
No, they have special boats.
That will, oh look, there is a trawler right there, very far away. No, that's not a trawler. It's like a cargo. It's a cargo ship. It's a huge one. Yeah. Oh,